Ever have a great video idea, but just no time to film new footage? Don't worry, you can still create awesome content. Today, I'll show you how to repurpose existing videos with FlexClip's handy features. Let's say you have a video you shot earlier, but it's missing that perfect still image. FlexClip's Freeze panel comes to the rescue. Simply find the exact frame you need in your video, right-click, and choose Freeze Panel. FlexClip automatically saves it as a PNG, saving you tons of time and effort. No need for reshoots. Now, what if your captured frame has a messy background? No problem. FlexClip's AI background remover can handle anything. Click BG Remover and choose AI Image BG Removal. See here? We had a beige wall and a black computer screen, but the AI removed it all flawlessly. Look at the detail around the hair, it's incredible. With this clean PNG image, you can now upload it and build your entire dialogue video around it. FlexClip makes repurposing content a breeze. So ditch the stress of reshooting and explore the creative possibilities with FlexClip. Try Freeze Panel and AI Background Remover today and start creating stunning dialogue videos in no time. Happy editing!